Hey everybody, this is Bill from Fit and 50 Plus, and we've got an unboxing going on right now. I got this today, purchased this on Amazon, and what I got is a AirPod knockoff straight from China. As you can see, the box itself comes out very minimalistic, nothing special as far as the box itself is concerned. You got a picture of the actual knockoffs themselves. They are from a company called World in Shenzhen, and as you can tell, this product itself is probably mass marketed and then farmed out for companies to brand themselves, and they just put their own labeling, a little sticker on there like that. The reason I picked up these as opposed to the plethora of other knockoffs out there, these tended to have the most reviews. I mean, there were hundreds of reviews of this product, and they got 4 stars. So, I figured I'd give it a shot. $49.99 with free shipping. I thought it was worth my while. So, as you can see, once I open up the box here, you get a fairly nice presentation. You've got an instruction manual, which is in English, which is nice. I know a lot of times the majority of the stuff is in Chinese. And then underneath the instruction manual, you get the USB charging cable. And it's small, but hey, they give it to you anyways with it. And then you get the case with the buds in there. And I gotta say, the case itself is of good quality. It has some pretty good weight to it. Feels nice in the hand. You've got the charging port on the bottom along with the button, and then the buds inside. When I was trying to open this case, as you can see here, whoops, that's the back side, Bill. Turn it around. Turn it around. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, up, there you go. All right. And then it opens with a nice click. It's not magnetic like the actual AirPods, but you do get some good tactile feedback when you open it up and shut it. Each of the AirPods feel good quality plastic, got some weight to them, feels good in the ears. I got the charging on the bottom, and each of them have their own buttons for pairing. They fit nicely in the case itself. And that's about all there is to see. With that, I'm going to close this video out, and we'll see you soon with a full review.